Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can embed your Google Calendar into Notion. So let's get right into it. First and foremost, Notion is an application for both PCs and mobile phones in which you can write down a lot of things. You can use it as a journal, as a calendar, as a notes pile. You can do it as or use it as a to-do list. You can make documents, write a book, etc., etc. You can even write code. But yeah, there's a wide variety of things you can do. However, let's say you would like to embed your Google Calendar. This is the way that I have used, and this is the way I would recommend. Go into Documents or into Journal or wherever you'd like. Create a new one, let's say Calendar, and just open it up. Once it's open up, this is the page that will appear to you. Now, for now, we're going to go over to our internet. This is it for this part, but we will come back to this later, so don't close it. Now, go into your Google Calendar, as you can see here, and what you're going to want to do is go into Settings. As you can see, I've made examples over here, and what I want to do is just go into Settings, and as you can see, there is Calendar Settings right here in the bottom left. Click on the calendar that you would like, and make sure that it is available to the public. It will originally not be available. What you want to do is click on it and make it available, and now it's available. Once you've done that, scroll down and you will get to the embed code. You want to copy that, and once you got that, you want to go back to Notion. Once you're here, click on the plus or hover over the line of text that you're currently editing. Click on the plus and just type embed. Once you're there, click on that and just paste the link that you copied here and just click embed link. And as you can see, now my calendar has been embedded and I can do with it whatever I want. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.